In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wedding arch with some gorgeous looking flowers. You can use it for indoor or outdoor wedding ceremony. Even you can use it for a photo shoot to promote your wedding business. Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. The last time I was in Atlanta, I had a wonderful opportunity to help one of the trend-setting companies in the floral industry, Alexandra Decor, to do a catalog photo shoot about the wedding. I will put the link on the description for their websites so you can check them out. They have a lot of wonderful products. I will put all the flower list and products link I use in this video on the description too. So for the photo shoot, I was in there filming the video about my project, but after I come back home, I couldn't find it anywhere on my computer. I thought I lost it. But a few weeks ago, I went through my computer again. I finally found it. I was so happy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make this gorgeous wedding arch for the catalog. Like I said, this is just for a photo shoot. Some of the mechanic is different than the real wedding. But basically, how you put the flowers is almost the same. Okay, let me show you how we did this project. At first, we will put the Oasis floral cages, grande holder on the wall. But if you are making for an actual wedding, you should zip tie the cage on the branch. Please make sure you have enough weight on the bottom to balance the top, because after the flowers it is going to be heavy. Next, I have some palm leaves here to start the shape. We used Design Master color tools to spray the palm leaves to rose gold. It looks awesome. I wish I have some bigger palm leaves. It will look more dramatic. But sometimes you just need to work with whatever you have and don't complain. After that is one of my favorite materials for wedding, pampas grass, which makes the design even stronger looking. And then we put a few greeneries to fill up the space and loosen up a little bit. Okay, don't forget to stop and take some photos for your social media post. Damn, I look professional. Here I have some gorgeous jumbo green hydrangea. They are wonderful flowers for cover the mechanic. After that, we will add some delphiniums and proteas to give a different texture to this arrangement. They are beautiful. After the delphiniums, we will put some balloon milkweed. They look so interesting. Some people call them hairy balls. I know they sound horrible, but they are so unique and different. That's what I like. Next, we have some fabulous pink and cream garden roses to add a glorious smell to this arrangement. This smells so good. After that, we will put some ruscus to extend the size and soften up a little bit. Also, we will put some cream and pink colors and ethereums from Hawaii. They are absolutely beautiful. Because we only had 3 Oasis cages, so please make sure to leave all the flower stems long enough to cover all the areas. Otherwise, they will look like 3 groups of flowers on the branch. The last flowers we put into this arrangement is Dahlia, which is one of my favorite flowers for the wedding designs. They are so fresh and beautiful. Okay, we are done here, so let's clean up and take some fabulous photos for the catalog. I hope that you guys found value in these videos. If you did, please be sure you give it a like. If you want to check out other wedding design videos on my channel, I will be sure to put a link on the description or have a card pop up here. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below. I love to share all the information and knowledge I have to help you to make a better wedding design. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.